Hi, I'm Stephen Clark. I'm from the Security Engineering Organization.
And I'm Ryan Heffernan. I'm from the same team.
And we're here to talk to you about the importance of community today. And when we say community, what we're talking about is really this opportunity for you to be in dialogue with us on a whole host of topics, some of which Ryan will be getting into here shortly. We have the concept of both public and private, and we want to make sure you understand both and how to join. So with that, Ryan?
Yeah, so the point of the community is we really want to get you speaking directly with our engineering teams. We want you to talk to the developers that write the code, the technical program managers that are designing the features. We know our products are going to be better if our customers are engaged in giving us feedback and input, and we know that in turn will make our customers much happier.
Great, cool. How do you start?
So the way to get started is to go to aka.ms security community. That link will take you to a landing page that explains all the details and nuances and all the different subgroups. So that one link will get you started.
Great. Should we take a look?
Let's take a look.
Okay.
So when we click on that link, that's going to take you here. And this is actually a post on our public community, which I'll explain in a little bit. Basically, we've got several different groups within the public community, which is hosted on techcommunity.microsoft.com. We've got the General Security, Privacy, and Compliance Forum. We've got product-specific ones like Advanced Threat Analytics. We've got Azure Information Protection, Azure Security and Identity, Cloud App Security Manager, Identity Manager. So you can really go in if you want to have a general conversation about security, privacy, or compliance. You can do that in the general one, and then if you have a really product-specific question, you can do that in the others.
So the top one is all about a general dialogue on the
Yes.
subject of security.
Exactly.
And then the bottom links are all solutions from Microsoft?
Correct.
And community specific to those solutions?
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So that's our public community, and you don't even have to sign up in order to lurk there. You can go look at it anytime. It's publicly accessible. If you do want to sign up and post something or like somebody's post or reply, all you need to do is sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay. And that's it. Then beyond that, if you want to go a little deeper, you can get into our private community. Oh. And what that is that takes place under non-disclosure agreement. And the reason for that is so we can share non-public information with the people who are interested. So we can tell you about a feature that we're still in the process of designing. Okay. We can share with you our product roadmap so you can know where things are going. You can get on conference calls there so that you can speak directly with our engineers. They'll throw out a feature, say that they're in the process of building, gather some feedback on it right there in real time, answer people's questions, make sure they're taking it in the right direction.
Got it. So public is more sort of this online dialogue.
Yes.
Okay. And private is really more of this active two-way conversation, which can include live events and sort of one-on-one with engineers.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
And those typically are those on Skype? Are they on something else? What are they on?
They're typically on Skype.
Okay. Got it.
So if you want to sign up for that private community, you need to first apply to be on Azure Advisors. So let me show you how that's done here. Click on this Azure Advisors link a little further down on that landing page. And there's a form here to fill out. You just tell us a little bit about yourself. There'll be some surveys so we can learn a little more. And then we check to make sure you have a non-disclosure agreement on file. One thing that's worth going into about that, a lot of people are worried about the overhead of going and getting that signed. Yeah. Go ahead and just sign up, and most of the time the people who are applying find that their company already has one on file. Microsoft's already got so many of those agreements signed with other companies. Right. So it's often already in place. Yep. So don't worry about that being a barrier at first. Just sign up, and then we'll check for it. And if you don't have one on file, then we'll help you with that.
And it's usually the case that there is an NDA on file.
That's correct.
Because we deal with thousands of customers around the world.
Exactly.
Okay. So once you're signed up, you go through the surveys, you get accepted into the private community. What's the kind of experience people can expect?
So we'll have those monthly conference calls where we'll share all sorts of non-public information. We'll share roadmaps. We'll share features that we're trying to get feedback on. We'll give you opportunities to enroll in the private preview. And then from there, you can kind of get as involved as you want. We're always wanting people to try out our new stuff. We're always wanting that feedback on things. So, and people who are really vocal and really engaged really will have a lot of influence on the direction that the products are going, and also the direction of our, security story as a whole.
Yep.
So we're always looking for that kind of feedback.
Well, I think it's fair to say when we say we're looking for feedback, we really mean it, right? We really want to understand what customers need so we can build to that.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that makes all kinds of sense. Cool. So our communities are vibrant. They're active. We have thousands of people on them.
It's true.
Great. Dynamite. And we could always use more.
Yeah.
Dynamite. So what we would like from you is to make sure and join up. And you have 2 opportunities, and you can sign up for both public and private. And it all starts at this link here, so we hope you click. So for Steve Clark and Ryan Heffernan, we appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the community.
Thank you.